Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block someone in Snapchat. First of all, open up Snapchat, go to your inbox, and here is some persons whom did you know. Okay, but sometimes you want to block someone, so if you block he or she won't see your message, won't able to see your message again, your stories, you discovers anything, not won't seeing this. Okay, so hold up the on account for sometimes for blocking them, and here is some options for you: Snapchat, audio call, video call, more. Tap on more, and this is the options for you. Report, block, remove friend. If you want to block he or she, so tap on block, and the final decisions for you, so tap on block. Okay, it's blocked, and see, this id is not appeared here. Okay, thank you for watching.